How to select multiple photos on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to select and manage multiple images at once quickly and easily. First, open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time. Let me show you. After that, navigate to the folder containing the photos you want to select. From there, click on the first photo you want to select. At this point, to select multiple photos, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each additional photo you want to add to your selection. In the next step, each photo you click while holding Control will be highlighted, confirming it's been selected. From there, if you want to select a range of photos, click on the first photo, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last photo. All photos between the two will be selected automatically. Let me show you. At this stage, if you want to select all photos in the folder at once, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything in one go. Following this, once your photos are selected, you can right-click on any of them to see options like Copy, Move, Delete, or Share. Once done, if you want to deselect a specific photo while keeping others selected, hold Ctrl and click on that photo again to remove it from the selection. From here, if you want to select photos using checkboxes, open File Explorer and click on the View tab at the top. Let me show you. At this stage, click on Show and then click on Item Checkboxes to enable checkboxes next to each file. Following this, hover over any photo and a checkbox will appear in the top left corner. Click on it to select that photo and repeat for as many as you need. Here's an important note. Using checkboxes is especially helpful on touchscreen devices where holding Control while clicking can be tricky. It gives you a more visual and intuitive way to select multiple photos. And that's it. If this guide helped you select multiple photos on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.